July 2018, Community Development Group, City of Zion and Neo Global Development teamed up for a joint sprint at the Neo offices in Shanghai. City of Zion has over 50 contributors from all over the world, dedicated to helping Neo reach its full potential. 7 members made the journey to China, each bringing their own unique set of skills to the table.
Okay, so my name is Ashley Ralston. I'm known as Ashlant on Discord. I'm from the United Kingdom and I'm a software developer for City of Zion. I'm one of the original City of Zion developers, so I'm on the council and I've been working with Neo for just over a year now.
Hi, I'm Sargon. My real name is Fernando and I come in from Spain and I am part of City of Zion and Reforce.
Hi, my name is Belain. My real name is Jaime. I'm also from Spain. I'm part of City of Zion community. We are doing mainly security stuff. We are part of the security team and also we are part of the Neo Sharp development.
Okay, hi, my name is Jin Xiang. So I go by the handle of Snowy Powers. I'm actually from Singapore, but right now I'm working as a software engineer in California, America. So I'm the maintainer of Neon.js, which is the JavaScript SDK that interacts with the Neo blockchain.
Hello, I'm Ricardo. I'm developer from Neo Sharp and I'm from Brazil.
Hello Grace, I'm Gil. We are here as a team from Brazil and I'm working on Neo Sharp and documentation.
Hi Gracie, I'm Ricardo too, but call me the Koba, and we are here to contribute to the Neo Sharp.
The purpose of the Shanghai sprint was to coordinate on a new node implementation called Neo Sharp. Neo Sharp was created by City of Zion council member Ashley, known as Ashant, with modularity, flexibility and testability in mind. Ashant explains.
Well, Neo Sharp is basically taking a lot of the original code and putting it into a new structure that is using modern software engineering techniques to make it testable, to make it modular so that we can swap in new code easily. So it's important because it makes the future development of Neo a lot easier to accomplish. So Neo has large plans to increase the transactions per second by using new consensus algorithms to improve the virtual machine that we use. And all of these things become a lot easier once you have a proper modular system where we can swap parts in and out. And we can also make it a lot more stable by testing. So Neo Sharp is a ground-up rewrite with the intention of improving the overall quality of the code that we deploy.
Another core benefit of Neo Sharp will be its accessibility to new developers joining the Neo ecosystem.
So Neo Sharp aims to be a more modular implementation of the existing code. We find that currently the process is very slow because for the Python and the Go developers, they have to read and understand the existing implementation and then try to reverse the implementation. And so with Neo Sharp, we hope that the code will be cleaner and easier for developers to read and to come on board new.
I can say it's like today we have the current implementation, and this implementation that we are doing is like for novices, people that don't understand, are not advanced developers, because the current code was done by someone that was extremely experienced, so everyone who needs to develop using the code must be very experienced, and this project aims to make things like a little bit simpler so it can have more community engagement, and maybe it might be easier to develop new features because since they have really strict development guidelines, it will be easier for to create new features that the community can use.
The joint sprint between City of Zion and Neo Global Development was initiated by COZ founder Fabio Cannison with the goal of strengthening the synergy between NEO Global Development and community development initiatives.
We all thought it was a good idea. We want to get our developers here in Shanghai face to face with the developers from NEO itself, because nothing is better than being together in the same room when you're developing. We are an internet-based organisation, so our developers are all over the world. We work in different time zones and we work through GitHub and Discord, but to actually all be in the same office just makes everything a lot easier, and we're getting a lot done while we're here.
The working group was overwhelmingly satisfied with the progress achieved and the way in which the two organisations were able to align their goals for the good of the project.
In the beginning, I was a little bit skeptical because I thought that, how can I say this? We are the developers, that we're not the official developers. So I thought that it might have some sort of conflict of interest. But when we got here, I realized that everybody is working with the same finality. So it was really, it was a really good experience for us to know that we are really working together and not like thinking separately. So we have a meeting together. We were included in several meetings about the future of the project, and they discussed what they want from us, what we expect from them, and it wasn't like, oh, here's your assignment, I'm your boss now. It was very different from that. So I can only say that so far it's the best possible.
Yeah, very positive. It's been excellent to actually sit down and work on our communication and decide where we can put our teams to best use to improve NEO in the future. So coming here and being face to face has been invaluable for the team. Yeah.
Yes, for me it was a great experience, like as Ricardo, working with Eric and see something and our issues together to try to find the fix was for us amazing and something that we want to repeat again and again.
In addition to collaborating with City of Zion on projects like NEO Sharp, NEO Global Development is also taking additional steps to further create a platform that will enable the development community to grow.
Yes, actually it's a quite big question. NEO support a lot of languages like C#, Python, Java, right? So for example, NEO Python is quite awesome project. First we need to thank for local human and Metacris and other developers from the community. They build such an amazing thing, yes. And next step, I think we need to implement more basic infrastructure like this kind of project and make our ecosystem more complete, and documentations, videos, and a lot of things are moving forward. So yeah.
And of course, everyone is always willing to give advice to new developers who may be looking to join the community.
Join Discord. Yeah. If you want to get involved, just dive in, start coding, join Discord. There's lots of public development channels, and ask questions, and people will help you. Yeah.
I would say reach out to the maintainers. The maintainers know what is lacking in the project, and they know, depending on the level of skills you have, what to allocate to you. Yes.
The next stage in NEO's evolution is the recently announced NEO 3.0. NEO Global Development is working closely with the community on this endeavour, taking advice and suggestions on the best way forward.
Yeah, NEO 3.0 is going to be quite a long process. NGD are consulting with the community on GitHub. There's a whole load of issues, and it's open for anyone with good ideas who can put forward their ideas within the issue to discuss and argue why they think different points in NEO 3 should happen. And it's going to be quite a long process, so anyone can join in with that.
Is it a little ambitious? Then?
It's very ambitious, yeah. I think there will be big changes, but there's long enough to make sure we get those changes right.
I agree.
From the community's point of view, it's really good for us to see that NGD are reaching outside to consult the community now that it's more mature and there are developers all over the world contributing.
The relationship between NEO Global Development and City of Zion has been one of the driving forces in the growth of the NEO ecosystem. After a successful collaboration in Shanghai, both teams have designs on making these sprints a regular event and continuing in their shared pursuit of realizing the new smart economy.
Yeah, and are these sorts of new course team-ups something you think we will see more of in the future?
Oh yeah, I'd love to. I think we should make it more regular as an event. Every 2-3 months, I think some of us should come over just so that we're all on the same page and working together properly. Yeah, if that's possible, we'd love to make that happen.